Hey everyone, and welcome to Depicter channel. In this video, we'll get creative with Depicter's rotate animation. Let's start with this one. After selecting it, go to animation and choose the rotate, then rotating clockwise 5 animation. We'll add a delay and a scale of 150%, meaning that it will grow 1.5 times its size while spinning. We'll set the rotation value to -360 because we wanted to do a full circle. I want this globe to move like a ball, so I select it, go to rotate animation, choose to rotate clockwise 5 again, and give it a movement value. Let's play the animation to see the result. Nice spinning. Here, I want this element to move like a pendulum. So, once selected, go to animation, choose rotate in and rotating clockwise 3. To make it move back and forth, we need to give it the spring movement in ease. And to make it feel like a pendulum, set its origin to up in the middle. And this way, you'll have a nice pendulum movement like this one. Here we have two pictures, one on the top and another slightly hidden behind it. We want the top picture to spin away, uncovering the one below. Here's how to do it. First, take a peek at the horizontal position or the X position of the back image. Then look at the X position of the top image. Now subtract the back picture's position from the top picture's position. This will give you the difference we need. In this case, it's 87. So, with the top image selected, in animation, rotate in, choose rotate clockwise 1. Set the direction to the right. Remember that difference of 87 we found? That's the magic number. Put that value in the movement section. This tells the animation how far to move the image to the right. Let's play the animation. Looks just like I imagined. That's it, everyone. Let us know in the comments what you think. Ciao!